Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Tyrant Trick for max power cores in Last Z survival shooter. Alright, let's begin. Here is a simple trick you can use to score higher damage during the Tyrant zombie event. Start by sending one of your armies to attack any nearby city. As soon as the march starts, immediately recall that army. This action activates War Frenzy, which gives your troops an attack boost. War Frenzy provides a 5% attack increase and is especially useful for newer players trying to push higher damage. Keep in mind that this boost only lasts for 10 minutes. If the Tyrant battle goes longer, you'll need to repeat the process after a few minutes to maintain the bonus. Once War Frenzy is active, send your armies to attack the Tyrant as usual. The added attack power helps increase your total damage and improves your ranking within the alliance. So that's basically how you can use the Tyrant Trick for max power cores in Last Z survival shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.